In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your form and share the live production link. Once you've finished building and reviewing your form, the next part is making sure people can actually access the correct live version. To begin, open your form editor panel in Chrome. Using Chrome helps ensure the editor loads properly and that all features behave as expected while you're preparing the form for launch. Before you share anything, take a quick moment to confirm that the version you're looking at is the final one you want users to see. Next, if your form includes any payment options, it's very important to make sure all payment gateways or related payment setups are switched out of test mode. This step matters because test mode is only meant for internal checks and trial submissions. If it stays enabled, users may run into issues, or payments may not process as real production transactions. So, review your payment settings carefully and confirm that everything is set to live mode before moving on. Even if you tested the form earlier, this final check helps avoid problems after the form is shared publicly. After that, go to the Share tab or the View tab, depending on how your editor is labeled. This is where you'll generate the public production link for the form. The purpose of this link is to give users access to the live version, not the draft or testing version. Once the link appears, make sure you're copying the correct public URL. If the platform offers multiple link types, choose the one intended for public access and real submissions. Finally, distribute that URL to your users so they can begin submitting official production entries through the form. You can share it through whatever communication channel your team normally uses as long as users are receiving the live production link and not an internal editor link. It's a good idea to double check the link yourself before sending it out broadly just to confirm it opens the correct page and is ready for real submissions. And that's it. By opening the editor in Chrome, making sure payment settings are live, generating the public production link from the Share or View tab, and then distributing that link to users, you'll have your form ready to collect official production submissions smoothly and reliably.